Welcome to JayaMaths. Today's our topic is in the mathematical logic about quantifiers. Quantifier is nothing but refers to a quantities such as sum or all. Okay, sum or all, and indicate how frequently a certain statement is true or false. So it is true. How certain frequently it is true. Okay, this is called the quantifier. So quantifiers are two types: universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. So here universal quantifier is nothing but P of x is a statement. P of x is true for all x in the universe discourse. That is called the universal quantifier. So for all x, for everything, for every, like that words you will see in the universal quantifier. This is a symbol for all, is a symbol for this. Notation is for all x p of x, or x p of x is a notation. So it is a universal quantifier. For all symbol is the universal quantifier. What are the examples? All men are mortal. All, for every, like that. For every, for all, like that words you can see. So what is the meaning of this? For all x, if x is a man, then x is mortal, like that. Universal quantifier. In the universal quantifier we can write all men are mortal. For all x, if x is a man, then x is mortal. So we are writing for all x, m of x, x is a man, m of x, h of x, x is a mortal, h of x, m of x implies h of x. In the second example, every apple is red. So for all x, if x is apple, then x is red. Okay, so for all x, apple, a of x is apple, r of x is red. So that a of x implies r of x. So for all x, a of x implies r of x. Next, existential quantifier. The existence quantification, p of x is a statement. There exist, here you can see there exist for some values of x, like that words you can see here. So this is in the universe discuss, you can see there exists an element x that is such that p of x is true. For some values of x, p of x is true. That is called the existential quantifier. So for this notation is there exists x p of x. E symbol ni meer use cheyali, this symbol you have to use. So this is a existential quantifier. There exists x means existential quantifier. Example, some men are clever. ఆల్ అనే వర్డ్ వచ్చింది అంటే యూనివర్సల్లో వస్తుంది. సమ్ అనే వర్డ్ వస్తే ఎగ్జిస్టెన్షియల్ క్వాంటిఫైయర్లో వస్తుంది. సో సమ్ మెన్ ఆర్ క్లవర్. ఫర్ సమ్ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఎ మ్యాన్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ క్లవర్. సో దట్ హియర్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఎమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఎ మ్యాన్ and c of x, x is a clever. So that there exists x, m of x and c of x you have to see here. That is existential quantifier. There exists x, m of x and c of x. Next question, second example, some cats are black. So for some x, x is a cat and x is a black. So there exists x, cat, c of x and black, r of x. Okay na? So c of x and r of x. There exists x, c of x and r of x. This is about universal quantifier and existential quantifier. Okay.